kayo paklaro. Okay, this is the circuit. Switch 1, the supply. And this one is the 1. Okay, this is the diagram in series circuit. So, meaning, one path for current to flow. Isa lang, conductor, kaya yagian. Now, the advantage of this one, easy to connect. Another, less material needed. And very easy to trace the problem by using our multi-tester. But disadvantage of this one, if it is more bulb connected in series, like for example, we have 3 bulb. Connected in series. This is our supply, and then our control device back to our supply. This is the switch. So there are bulb 1, 2, and 3. Now, in case that the bulb, this bulb busted, meaning dakot ang bulb, all the circuit affected. Remember, if one bulb connected in series busted or damaged, all the 3 bulbs are affected. So that is the difference. And this is the that's why this circuit usually they are not using this one in the installation of the house. It depends upon the uses. Okay. Now I will show you the parallel. Okay, this is the parallel circuit. Switch 1. So supply, bulb 1, bulb 2. So look at the difference. So you can now identify which is series and the parallel circuit. This one has more material we need because there are 2 conductor na nagamit. Connect. But the advantage, if this bulb busted, if this bulb X, and this one is okay, this bulb is still working, or this one is still working. On nga po niya siya. O i-switch na to ang switch. If that one is busted, sure, your house is dark na. There is no light at all. So this one. So with this type of circuit, I would like to apply this one for an actual. Going sa ato ang working area in which there are diagram wiring board rather na ato magamit to connect this circuit. So just relax, stay focused. Remember, safety first, come first. That is the motto of the AIM laboratory. Okay, baga ABC. What we call the ABC is the always be careful. Kung magtinanga ka, kurintihan ka, minusan pa yun. Okay. So this is now the series and the parallel circuit. I will not go further of this one because if we talk about this series and parallel, there are what we call the computation of the resistance, the volts, and the current. But this one, focus lang sa inyo for this actual purposes, series and parallel.